Welcome to Institute of Medical Aesthetics. We are the leading training center for all your aesthetic medicine events in the region. My name is Savan Colette and I'm the director for the center. Our center is available for hire 7 days a week for all your corporate events, hands-on training and workshops. Our first room is the auditorium. The auditorium can accommodate up to 45 guests and is fully equipped with a cameraman and with video equipment for your live medical demonstrations. IMA also holds a clinical permit to ensure that your event and all your trainers are fully accredited. Our lounge is a networking space for you to use during your coffee breaks and your lunches. Your catering requirements will be fully handled by a 5-star hotel partner and by our events team. The second lecture room is a smaller space, perfect for accommodating your smaller group sizes of up to 16 guests. The room is also equipped with a projector screen, perfect for all your presentation needs. Our treatment rooms have been set up for all your hands-on workshop training needs. This space can accommodate 6 to 8 participants with a trainer and a nurse provided by IMA. All your events held here in this training room will be fully compliant with clinical training standards. Myself and the team would like to invite you to Institute of Medical Aesthetics, located in the heart of Dubai Healthcare City, 10 minutes away from the airport and the heart of Dubai. We look forward to seeing you very soon for your next event.